Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you're going to see how to find what files are taking up space on PC. So to do that, just let me show you the steps you can follow. So the first one is click the File Explorer icon on your taskbar and select Display PC on the left panel and then click on the drive you want to analyze. Usually it is the C drive because it's the main drive, and then click the View tab and select the details to see size of each file and folder. And then there's another storage breakdown, that is open the Start menu and go to Settings, then go to System and go to Storage. And here click on the drive you want to check to see a breakdown of storage, usually storage usage by categories like apps, documents, pictures, and etc. And there are some things you need to remember. That is, the first one is hidden files. If you suspect hidden files are taking up space, you can enable the Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives option in the File Explorer settings. And there's another one: for more visual representation of a disk space usage, consider using a dedicated disk space analyzer like WinDIR-STAT. So yeah, these are the ways with which you can just find out what files are taking up space on your PC. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.